Video 1.1, How to get the most out of your RCM Digital experience. Welcome to RCM Digital. I'm Joe Ringhofer, your host and instructor. I want to share with you a few tips that will maximize your online learning experience. Some of you, no doubt, have taken online courses before. For many of you, this will be a new and hopefully stimulating learning experience. Create a study plan for yourself. Set aside a time or times during the week that you can access these video clips and learning modules. A carefully graduated approach will help you assimilate and enjoy the material. During the time you spend online, try and stay focused. Allow your mind and imagination to engage with the material. This course, after all, is all about exploration. Attend the live online town hall sessions with me. I'll be there to answer your specific questions and contextualize the material. There's only one way to really understand music, and that is to experience it. This course is no more about learning modules than it is about video clips. In short, it's all about the music. I hope you will take time to watch the performances that we have recommended. In addition, I challenge you to explore other performances of this music, live or over the internet. I'm excited about the prospect of sharing my passion for music with you. I wish you all a happy musical journey, and I look forward to meeting you in our town hall sessions. Bye for now.